Paramveer Singh from Cadd Center, Hazratganj, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. And it is just an update for you all that we are organizing a course on design and simulation of automatic manual transmission for electric vehicle. This is a futuristic topic, and we'll be covering this futuristic topic along with the basics of engineering. The sole objective of this course is to give the students which have lacked because of the pandemic, many of the students have lacked the education, basics of engineering. And since it is a futuristic topic, it will be interesting for you all to understand how transmissions are designed, and that too manipulating them with the help of automatic manual transmission. Okay, so second is of course giving the basics of engineering to these students. So this is the sole objective. Now the course will be of total 16 hours, that is taking 2-hour session each day, and therefore it will become up to 8 days program. Okay. Now how you will fit it, the things which you will be able to learn in this 8 days will be: number first, explaining you the basics of mechanism and kinematics. Second, I will be brief introduction, or rather the fundamentals of gears. The third point, I will be explaining you how to read the gear profile and how many types of gear are there. Later on, I will give you the involvement of gears in the gear train. Then I will be explaining you the type of power trains or trains that are involved in electric vehicles. Thereafter, we will be getting the understanding of what is the requirement of energies when we talk about the design of gear train. After completing all module, you will be getting an idea of how basically what is the requirement of a gear train and associating it with electric vehicle. We will be starting the design of gear train for our specific problem, specific energy problem. Okay, we'll be designing the automatic manual transmission, the gear sets. The gear set will involve basically 5 gears, and this will be a constant gear ratio, forward and reverse gear set. Okay, and this will be manipulation will be done on the basis of automatic engagements. Okay, link engagements. So this is all what we'll be doing. Then after you have designed that specification of a gear train of A.M.T, we'll be designing or modeling them on one of the popular software, 3D modeling software, Solidworks. Later on, in the last stage, once we have designed whole of the set, we'll be assembling them, and finally we'll be coming up with the simulation part on SolidWorks motion. That is, on conclusion basis, when you are on the 8th day, you will be sound enough on how designing is done. I'm not talking about modeling. Of course, we'll be taking up the modeling, but the session is more dedicated on designing and problem solving. And the topic which I've taken is of course a futuristic topic. Electric vehicle is coming, right? And that too the transmission system for varying speed and varying torque requirement, right? So this is all about get enrolled in this course, and that with respect to objective of educating students, educating the basics of engineering, we have kept this fees very nominal. It is just rupees 1,000, and for 8 days for 16 hours dedicated engineering work, right? So get enrolled in this course and get the benefit of our experience in this field. Thank you very much.